When it comes to peanut carts, there are a few options out there, and for the most part, they're all pretty similar. But at AMADAS Industries, we built ours to be in a league of its own. The AMADAS ICT delivers an incredible 1,100 cubic feet of transport capacity, easily handling more than 2 full loads from our large AMADAS baskets. That's 20 to 47% more capacity than other dump carts. A robust 25,000-pound lift capacity lets you fully utilize the ICT's volume when topping up from OCS unload-on-the-go combines. Its innovative articulating lift and dump system provides unmatched rigidity, control, and stability, all while keeping a safe distance from trailers during dumping. A massive cleaning system featuring arrays of 1/4-inch by 3-inch CNC punch slots delivers more than double the cleaning area of other dump carts. Plus, a large 2-stage dirt trap captures dirt and foreign material as the load dumps, preventing contaminants from entering your trailer. And with a 15-foot plus dump height, the ICT makes quick work of loading semis and large drying wagons. More capacity, more stability, more cleaning power. The AMADAS ICT isn't just another peanut cart. It's the one built to keep your harvest moving.